Hi, I'm Bishop Jim Lowe with the Guiding Light Church in Birmingham, Alabama. Thank you for visiting our YouTube channel. If you're looking for sound biblical teaching, inspiration, or simply wanting to find out more about the Guiding Light Church, you are in the right place. Each week we update our channel with various teachings ranging from topics focusing on the family and marriage to how to learn and apply the Word of God to your life. So come back regularly or simply click the subscribe button and let us come to you when new sermons are posted. In addition, please visit our website at www.guidinglight.org to connect with us and download various study guides and teachings. While on our website, scroll to the bottom of the page where you will find our service times, address, phone number, email address, and social media pages. Thank you again for visiting our channel, and I do hope that as you are listening to the teachings, you will grow mightily in the Word of God. And if you're inspired, please take a minute to subscribe, click the videos that you do like, and share those videos with your friend. Again, I'm Bishop Jim Lowe, Guiding Light Church. Welcome.